Hello, I'm Xiaoting and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be swatching 12 new colors of Pentel's brush sign pen. Pentel Singapore launched 12 new colors for their brush sign pens. This set comes with 4 free pens other than the 12 new colors. The colors are really unique and pretty. These are one of my favorite pens for brush pen calligraphy. My first Skillshare course, Easy Guide to Brush Pen Calligraphy, uses this pen primarily. If you're interested in the course, do check out the link in the description box. Here are the 12 new colors. I feel that there is a good mix of pastel tones and rich tones. Thanks for watching and comment to let me know your favorite color. Subscribe if you haven't and see you in the next video.